Hello everyone, I am Ujjwal Gupta. Now you know about programs, yeah? Now you know I do lot of practices of programs and also make my own programs. Now now I'm not a very high level programmer. I am very little bit very low level programmer. Now I get now on 13th November I got a contract from a company and the company says me that I have to make a smart light switch program. I have to do the programming of a smart light switch, which which switch from which when the night is come, the switch is automatically on, and when the day is off, then the day is come, then the switch is automatically off. So I'm going to show you the what are the programs and what are the codes that I use for making the smart light switch. Okay, so first I have to write is, now only see what I am writing, don't see any word. Okay, so now I have to write print is day. Now it's not a is day is not a string value. So now what I have to write is another print uh, lights. So these are the voices of my sisters and my mother. Okay, now I have to write print value and then I have to write lights on. Now when you see the compiler value, that what we get the output, do you understand that what we are writing this, but we are getting this thing. Sorry, the network is off, sorry for this. Now but do you know what do I get from this is that I print only daytime, so we get daytime question mark and then print is day. Now what is day value is false, so the is day value is, if is the value of is day is false, so we get is daytime question mark false and then light on question mark, and what is the value of light on. Now do you know the value of light on is nothing but not is day. Now not is a negation value which changes the opposite of a value. It means if a true if a value is true, then if we write the not true we get false. Okay, so the value, it means the value is the value is false, so what we get is nothing but true. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay, thanks.